Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Flores.
So to begin our class, may I call on our class leader to lead us in a short prayer.
So let's put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for this day, and we hope that we will learn a lot from Mr. Flores. Through your powerful name, Jesus Christ, and in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
So thank you for that, Mayor. So before you sit, please fix your chairs and pick up any trash around your area and under your chair. So let's give our classroom clean. So, okay, you may now take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all right. Class is your class secretary. So, is everyone present today or someone absent?
Everyone is present, boss.
Okay, thank you. So, because of that, you already have 10 points of our discussion for today. Okay? Thank you. So now, before we begin our lesson today, let's have short review to our classroom rules. So, everyone, read.
Listen when someone is talking. Raise your hand before you speak. Be respectful. Always do your best.
Okay, thank you. So first, we have listen when someone is talking. So of course, we listen because we respect the person when someone is talking in front or your classmates. Okay? So because we listen, of course, we can understand better. So, right? Okay. So next is raise your hand before you speak. Of course, this is also very important because this helps us avoid talking at the same time and it makes our classroom organized. So, are you clear?
Yes.
Next is be respectful. Of course, this is also very important because we respect and our classmate and our teacher. And we do not say bad words or make fun for others. Okay? Okay, thank you. So next is always do your best. So of course that we try hard, even difficult. So it's okay to make mistake, but always we should always do our best. Okay? Okay, very good. So before we start, sorry class. So before we start our discussion today, let's play a short game. So are you excited?
Yes.
Very good. So now, so this game is simple but it's fun. So and it's help you to get ready for our topic. Okay. So this is so in this activity is we will look at the two birthday parties. So I will show you a set A and set B. So each set has a different food items for the party. So as you can see, this is a chart birthday parties. Okay. So for the set A, everybody read, we have
Juice, ice cream, cake.
for the set B.
Cake, juice, pizza.
So, now class, I need your help. Yes, I need your help. I need your help, okay? So now, let's answer some questions. So based on what you see in the set, so don't worry because we'll do this together. So what you need to do is just listen and if you want to answer, please raise your right hand. So okay? So clear? Okay. So let's begin with the first question. So the first question is, what items are in a both parties? What is in a both parties that set A have and also set B have? Okay. Mm, Miss Menes?
We have juice and ice cream.
Okay,
And
very.
also cake.
Mm-hmm. Is there?
Set has both cake and juice.
Okay, very good. So cake and juice are in the both parties. So very good. So now let's proceed to the next question. So what items are in at least one party? Yes, Shemari?
For set A, sir, we have ice cream, and for set B, we have pizza.
Okay, so, are you sure? So, I read the question, okay? So, what items are in the at least one party? One party. So, this means we are what are the all items we can see in a set B and in the set A, set B and set B. So, what? Juice,
And cake. Ice cream, cake.
then.
Pizza, juice.
Okay, very good. So that's are the items from the both parties have. So now the third question is, and wait, is what does party have that party B does not have? But there's only one answer. Miss Lailani?
So as for the set A, there's only have the ice cream, and for the set B is juice.
No, the question is, what does party A have that party B does not have?
Okay, so ice cream.
Okay, very good. So the items are is only the ice cream is only have in the set
Set
A.
A.
So very good. So and the last question is, what items are not in the party A? Okay, Miss Rian.
Only pizzas.
Okay, very good. So pizza is only in B, not in set A. Okay, very good. So yes.
Excuse me, sir, may I go to the restroom?
Okay. Balik mo now. What we just did is a simple way of comparing groups of things. So in math, we call this a group set. So when we ask question like what's the same or what is different. So we're doing something called set operation. So today our topic is all about set operation. So how we compare, combine, and find the difference between sets. So don't worry class because our lesson for today is very easy and fun. So now it's but before we go deeper, so can someone tell me what we learned about last meeting? Yes, Minas?
What I've learned last meeting, sir, is all about set, which is set is a group of objects, different objects that shares common characteristics, and I also learned the different properties of set theory.
Okay, thank you, Jimenez. So that's right. So a set of group of collection of things. So last time we talked about how to list elements of a set and how to write them using curly braces like this. Okay, so now it's okay. Everybody, let's stand up and give mabuhay clap for Jimenez for remembering our lesson. So okay, you can follow me. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mabuhay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mabuhay. Okay, thank you. So you may now take your seats. So now, before we be learning about set operations, so I want you to listen carefully. Okay, so please get your notebook and pen to ready because we will write some important notes. Okay, are we clear?
Yes.
So thank you. So before anything else, so let's talk about what we learned today. So these are learning objectives. So that's means there are the goal of our discussion for today. So can everybody read for the first?
Define a set and describe the four basic set operation. Solve simple problems using set operation. Show active engagement and cooperation during class activities.
Okay, thank you. So So first is define a set and describe the four basic set operations. So of course you should be able to what set to remember. So a set of group of things. So we'll also learn a four basic sets operations. So which are ways to compare or work with two or more sets. Second is solve simple problem using set operation. So you will try some easy math problems where use set operation. So you'll find out what's common, difference, and the total in the two set. Just like we did earlier with the birthday parties. So next, the last one is show active engagement and cooperation during class activities. So this means so I want you to listen carefully and join the group activities so in order that you can collaborate with your classmates. So next is so now is that we know our goals. So let's work hard to reach them. So are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody read.
The set operation are performed on two or more sets to obtain a combination of elements as per the operation performed on them.
Okay, thank you. So set operation are our way to work with the two or more sets. So they help us compare sets, combine and them or see what is different or missing. So in short, we use set operation to better understand our relationship between sets. So there are, of course, the set operation. There are four basic elements. So first, we have a. So everybody read.
A new set that contains all the elements from both sets without repeating any elements.
Okay, thank you. So union is a new set that contains all the elements from the both sets without repeating any elements. So union is putting together all elements from the both sets. So union is give everything from the set no repeat. So always remember when you talk about union is no repeats. Okay? Are we clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next is we have a intersection. So everybody read.
A set that contains only the elements that are common on both sets.
Okay, thank you. So when we talk about intersection, is we need to find what is the same or both set. So we only keep the elements that are common. So we also remember, you should always remember that when you talk about intersections, you find the common between two sets. So okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next we have difference. So everybody read.
A set that contains the elements that are in set A but not in set B.
Okay, thank you. So when you talk about a difference is we need to find out what is in one set but not in other sets. So and if like a set A minus set B. So we only keep the things that we are in the set A but in the set B. So are you understand?
Yes.
So now let's proceed to the last four basic elements for the set operation. So next is a complement. So everybody,
A set made up of all the elements not in a given set based on a universal set.
so when you talk about complement, is a set made up all the elements not in a given set based on the universal set. So complement is we compare the set to the universal set. Okay? So give us the items that are missing, so not part of the given set. So do you understand for the four types of basic elements for the set operations?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So I want you to understand more, so now I have a example for the a union, intersection, difference, and complement. So now, first is first, of course, as you can see, I draw a, what do you call this one?
Venn diagram.
Okay, very good, Venn diagram. So now let's I have an example for the union. So let's solve for the union first. So now our universal set is, this is the universal set symbol, okay? Okay. So our universal set, we have 1, 2, 3, everybody?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So, okay, thank you. So, this is our universal set. So, everybody read.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, thank you. So, now let's solve for the union. So, for the union, we have, for the set A, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So for the set B, we have 4, 5, 6, and 7. So like what I said earlier, so when we talk about union, it's putting together all elements from the both sets. So what you need to do is to write all the elements from the set A and set B without repeating. Okay, like this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, we have 2, 4, but the rule of union is we don't need to repeat. Okay, very good. So that's how we come up this answer. So can you read?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, very good. So now let's proceed to the intersection. So now I have the example for the intersection. So this. So now for our intersection is for the set A, we have a 1, 2, 4, 6, and 10. And for the set B, we have 1, 3, 4, 6, and 9. So for the intersection is we need to find what is the same of both sets. So we only keep on the elements that are common. So okay. So as you can see that for the set A we have 1 and for the set B we have 1. So of course this is called belong to the intersection. So and also for the set A we have look at the red circle. So for set A we have 4 and for set B we have 4. So that's why we come up this answer. So everybody, can you read the answer for the intersection?
1, 4, 6, 3.
No, this is a curling disk. Okay, thank you. So now let's proceed to the third one. So difference. So I have my example for the difference, of course. So for the set A, of course we have 1, 2, 4, 6, and 10. And for the set B, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 9. So how did you come up this answer? So can anybody tell me what? Okay, Miss Jimenez.
So from that operation, we should find the difference of A from B. So we come up with an answer because we need to list the elements that are present in A but not in B.
Okay, very good. So that's right. So next we have complement. So complement for the set A, I have an example for the set A, we have 1, 2, 4, 6, and 10. So who can give do you have any idea that why we did come up this answer? Some. Okay, Miss okay, JM.
Based on the given set, the elements of the set, and meaning of a complement. A complement is a set made up of all the elements not in a given set based on a universal set. So, given this meaning, it's almost the same as the difference. only difference is that the difference you are referring to both the sets A and B, and for the complement is you're referring to a single set and to the universal set itself. So based on the given elements of set A, which is 1, 2, 4, 6, and 10, we will subtract this to the universal element, and whatever the elements that remains that are not in the set A, and that's our complement to the set A. So that's how we come up with the answer 3, 5, 7, 8, and 9.
Okay, thank you, Jem. So, everybody stand up to give you Jem mabuhay ka. So, now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mabuhay!
So, okay, you may now take your seats.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
I guess you learned a lot from our discussion today. So, I'm really happy to see you, like, you're listening and understanding. So, but to make sure that everyone is really understand our lesson. So I have prepared like a question to check your understanding. So are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, now for the first question is, what is a set? Okay, Miss. Okay, Lailani.
A set is operation or like performance or more sets to obtain a combination of elements.
Okay, thank you. So next is what happened when we combine two sets. Okay, Miss Jean.
When we combine the sets, we will get each
Okay, very good, very good. So for the third question is, which operation finds common items in the two sets? Christine?
intersection.
Okay, very good. So now the last question is, what? No, why is learning sets helpful? Yes, Shamari.
It is to compare and organize things in closer.
Okay, thank you. So class, all of your answer is correct. So this that means you really understood what we discussed today. So I am proud to you to answer that question. So give yourself a round of applause. Lisa. So now, let's move to our next activity. So I have prepared an individual activity to check your knowledge and about the set operation. So don't worry because this is very easy. So let's test what you have learned. So this is our given sets. So we have for the set A, we have 1, 2, 3. So everybody, for the set B, we have
2, 3, 4.
and for our universal set is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, and but before we write, so I want first student to answer that question. So please remember that those who participate will receive a small gift from me. So this is my small gift. So it's very cute, like your teacher. Yes. So now, so place raise your right hand if you want to answer. So for the first question is, A is a union B. Who would like to answer? Yes, Jimenez. Okay, let's see. How about for number 2? Um, Rian? Okay, for number 3. Yes, Blair? And the last one, who would like to answer? Uh, Charlotte? So, okay, everybody read if your answer is correct. So, for the first question, is A union B equals to?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, it is correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. For number 2,
A
intersection B.
B equals 2 and 3.
Okay, very good. How about number 3?
A difference B equal to 1.
Okay, very good. And for the last,
A complement is equal to 4 and 5.
okay, very good. So now, as thank you for your cooperation. So I'm happy to see you, many of you like joining and sharing your yes. So now I have a prepared for you to the group activity. So are you excited?
Yes.
So now, so I will divide you into 2 groups. So with I like counting off for 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So okay.
1,
1,
2,
1,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Okay, thank you. So for those who got number 1, please sit on the side. And for those who got number 2, please sit on the other side here.
1, 0, 1.
So, so now, group 1, right? Group 2. Okay. So now, group 1 will be called Team Apple. Okay, Team Apple for the group 1. So for the group 2, Team Orange. Okay. So 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 each team will choose one member to who will raise your team stake for this game. So this person will choose your answer and when I ask a question. So here is the given set we'll use in this activity. So I will write here the whiteboard. So, okay, for the set A, we have apple, banana, and mango. And for the set B, we have a banana, mango, and orange. So this question, so I will ask the question about union, intersection, difference, and complement. So, and each of them must talk together and share ideas. And the team leader is raise your stake to show your choice. Okay. Very good, everyone. So, and the winner is Team Orange. So, Team Orange, congratulations. So, you really showed the teamwork and your understanding. So, and to all of you, thank you for your cooperation and active participation. So, you did very, very, very well. So, I'm so proud of you guys. So before we end, let's do a quick recap. So I prepared two questions to all of you. So the first question is, who can explain what union means? Okay, Lailani?
So, in simpler terms, it is putting both sets together.
Very good. So for the second question is, what about intersection? Yes. Jimenez?
So, intersection, it is the common objects, elements, or items in both sets.
Okay, very good. So now, okay, very good. Thank you for your cooperation and active participation. So now, before we end, I give you an assignment. So our your assignment is, everybody read.
Title: What I learned about set operation. Instructions: Write 8 to 10 sentences using your own words. Answer the question: What did you learn about set operation, union, intersection, difference, and complement? Write on 1/2 crosswise. Submit it next meeting.
Okay, so very good. So that's all for today. So thank you for being respectful and smart learners. So see you next meeting. So everybody's stand for. So who can lead for a brief? Okay, Mayor, can you lead?
Let's put ourselves in the holy presence of God in the name of the Father, the Son, and Holy Spirit. Thank you, Lord, because we have learned a lot from Mr. Flores. In the name of the Father, the Son, and Holy Spirit.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye.